So this is gigabyte graphic card AORUS GeForce RTX 3090 XTREME 24G, and let's check the deep specification of this. So this is graphic socket number GeForce RTX 3090. This is actually clock 1860 megahertz and reference core 1695 megahertz, and this is DUDA processing unit speed 10496, and this is your clock speed 19500 megahertz, and this is memory size 24 GB, and this is your type, which socket which is connect in GDDR6X, and this is bus 384 bit, and bandwidth speed you can see 936 GB per second speed. Resolutions, monitor resolutions, display resolutions 7680 4320, and this is required 850 watts power with 8 pin, 6 display port, which is 3 DP port and 2 HDMI port 2.1 and 1 HDMI port also 2.0.